Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video today. Well actually, I have some important news to make. I've been so busy lately. I have basketball today, a bunch of homework and everything, but this time I am going to send this video off. Oh, okay, I thought that was like something. Hang on, let me just move my webcam over here. Oh my gosh, not again. One sec guys. Okay guys, just fixed my webcam, it's all good now. So now, I'm going to be playing some Phantom Forces. If you guys don't know what this is, it's basically on Roblox. So if you guys want to be my friend on here, I'll put my name on Roblox in the description below, and I'll put the name. Yes, I hear my mom going, but I don't have time to make this in a long time since I had to go play. I mean, not play. Go to Roosevelt Middle School to go on the pool with my cousins, which is soon. I feel like they're on the way, so I'm not gonna make this video too long, but oh jeez, I got hurry here explosions. So this is a shotgun. So okay, so I did unlock this gun just yesterday. Hang on, hold V. Oh, dang, that looks sick. Okay, well, let's see what this thing can do. Okay, I feel like I got the hang of this. I've been practicing a lot at my school, but oh my gosh. As you can see, look at all this blood right here. I'm going for it. It's good. I'm actually gonna go. I'm gonna go to this house here, see if there's anyone. Ah, he knifed me. So yeah, there's like different settings over here. Weapon loadout, I'll show you that. So basically, it's like everything right here. There's like assault rifles, scouts, support, and recon. Recon is actually a sniper. Here, I'll show you. Click to equip. Okay, yeah, here's a sniper. So basically, all you have to do is just unlock everything. So I need to go to shotgun and unlock this bad boy since it's so lit right now. I haven't tried it on anyone yet, but hopefully I can do it. I think I have. Wait, customization. Wait, is this where I customize my guns? I did unlock some new camos. I don't know how to do that. Okay, that's weird. But I'm not gonna worry about that right now since my video. Oh, okay, there. My screen kind of froze a little bit. Well, not actually froze, but yeah. I might like look at this video when it's uploaded and see if it's good, but if it isn't, I'll have to delete it and make another one of it. But yeah, so let's do this. So where's the someone? I gotta get my name. Oh, I think I saw someone over here. Isn't it? If you guys didn't notice, the blue dots are your teammates. So that's you know how that's your teammates or not. Oh jeez, what the? How did I not know that? Okay, for crying out loud. Okay, I'm kind of bad at this game a little bit, so don't blame me. So then, siege the crouch, and there is grenades on this game, but that you have to press G for. Wait, can I get it? Oh, I think I'm almost out. Q's the aim. I'm out. Woohoo! Or not. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna change the color of my light. So let's go white. No, red, green. Yeah, I'm gonna go green. Let's wait. Oh. So I was doing a live stream, but I'm not gonna watch that right now since I had to focus on winning this game. What? Okay, so we have to basically go to a hill until the timer runs out. Yeah, so if you can see right over here, at the King of the Hill, there's only like 3 minutes remaining, so I feel like that's when my game will probably, or actually that's when this video will end, around 3 minutes, so, don't mind that, that's just my note. I'm actually gonna go over in this tree house here and see. Oh, hi. Ah, okay, come on, get back in, okay. So I'm gonna go back to that tree house, see if I can kill him again. Yeah, actually, to change my mind, I'm gonna keep this blue because it looks really fun now. And, like, you can tell by the wall right here. But yeah, let's just focus. Okay, so I don't think this should be too hard now. So I just really should stay calm and then get to the treehouse. Which case I might get there. Oh, come on. Oh gosh. Ah. Yeah, guys, if you're watching us, watch out for people that are crouching your stomach. They will kill you right away. That happens to me a lot at school. My friend was just like, "Boy, you finally got a kill!" And I'm like, "Yeah." But he's like, I don't care. Oh, okay, never mind. That was just my teammate. Over on the, so like over here, that's where the kills are. See, like, that and then, oh, gee, what? Are you? Oh my gosh, how the? Okay, I'm gonna get him back. Screw that. What the? No. Okay, good. I'm back in. So, need to go to the treehouse. Actually, actually gonna show you around this house because there's like monitors in each room. So this room right here, and there's one monitor there, but yeah. And this room, I didn't check, but there's another monitor right there. In this room, another monitor and a TV. Actually, no, it's a computer this time. And over here, a bed, a monitor. I think there was one other room that. Oh, was that someone? Oh my gosh, my teammate's gonna crap. Yeah, I feel like the other monitors are in this house that I'm heading to right now. So I hope that's not too hard. Okay, let's throw a grenade. Ha! Come on, can I hit someone? What? Come on, why did this happen? Oh my gosh, I'm so trash. Yeah, I gotta get more off at this game. I'll be like, I think I might record a Fortnite video, but I do not have it on here since this laptop is like, old, but don't blame me for that. So, let's just go ahead and, let's go to this pool right here. Wait, can we like go inside it? Oh, we can. Nice. Okay. Okay, I can't get it aim right here. So let's just go ahead and hit the treehouse. Where's the ladder? I need to get up the ladder. Oh gosh. Oh wow. Okay, I'm going back. So yeah, I'm so trash at this game, guys. I apologize, but I will get more better at it. But if you guys have Roblox, I'll put my name in the description below. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you liked it. Smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out. Oh my gosh. Okay, peace out.